Hey everyone, I am Trikam Devasi. Today I am solving LeetCode problem number 2000. Reverse prefix of word, a C++ solution. Can you reverse just a part of a string with only one built-in function? Let's solve LeetCode 2000 using a clean and efficient C++ approach. We are given a string, word and a character ch. We need to reverse the substring starting from the beginning of the word up to the first occurrence of ch. If ch does not exist in the string, we simply return the original word. The idea is simple. First, find the position of the word character. If it exists, reverse the prefix from index 0 to that position. Otherwise, return the string as it is. Let's see the code. First, we find the index of the character. Int I is equal to word.findch. The find function returns the first occurrence of ch. If the character is not present, it returns string npos. Now we check whether the character exists. If I is not equal to string npos, if it does, we reverse only the required part. Reverse w.begin plus 1 plus I. Notice the plus 1. Reverse function excludes the ending iterator, so we move one position ahead to include the character ch. Finally, return word. If the character was found, the prefix has already reversed. Otherwise, the original string is returned unchanged. Let's take the input. Word equal to A B C D E F D. CH is D, the first D is at index 3. We reverse the prefix. ABCD DCBA. The remaining part stays the same. Final answer DCB AEFD. Now suppose the character does not exist. For example, word ABCD. CH is equal to Z. Find returns string NPOS. The condition fails. And we simply return ABCD. The time complexity is O of n because find and reverse each take linear time. The space complexity is O of 1 since the reversal is done in place. And that's it, a short, clean, interview friendly solution. If the video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more LeetCode C++ solutions explained in simple way.